Hey guys, welcome back. So today on this video we are talking about Apple AirPods, and more specifically I'm going to show you how to change the name that's associated with your Apple AirPods. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, why would you want to change the name to your Apple AirPods? Well, that's pretty easy. If you ended up buying a used pair of Apple AirPods from somebody, or maybe somebody gave them to you, it's probably going to have their name or some name they associated with it, which is the case with these. So let me go ahead and show you how to change that name to something that is more associated with you. So for example, these AirPods, when I bought them, if you open them up, as you can see, the name of them is I Like Cats. Now, I really love cats too, but I don't really want my AirPods to be named that. So I'm gonna go ahead and change that now. And how you do that is you go to the Apple Settings app. It's this gear icon, it's gray. This is not an app that you need to download, it's already on your iPhone. I'm gonna click there now. All right, once you click there, then this drop-down menu happens. You have a lot of different options for your iPhone, but you wanna go ahead and click on Bluetooth right here because these are your Bluetooth AirPods. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you click there, then you'll want to go ahead and look for your AirPods that you've already connected. So as you can see, this one right here, I Like Cats. That's the AirPods that I have right here. And you want to click on this blue eye informational button right here on the right. I'm going to click there now. All right, next the screen pops up and it says forget this device. That's the only option you have in there. And one thing I forgot to do is you do need to have it connected. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up the cover to your AirPods. And then once that happens, then you can go ahead and see a lot of other options here for your Apple AirPods. So what you want to do now is look for the name. So here you can see name, I Like Cats. Click on this little arrow next to it. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you click there, then you can go ahead and press this little X button right here and that'll zero out the name. All right, now you can go ahead and put in whatever name that you would like to have associated with your Apple AirPods. So for example, I like dogs. So I'm going to put I like dogs. And once you're finished there, go ahead and click done. And then once you are finished there, click this blue back button right here on the top left. All right, now if you look at the name, it says I like dogs. I'm going to click back on Bluetooth and now it is called I Like Dogs, not I Like Cats. I'm going to close this down. All right, now I'm going to go back to the home screen of my iPhone. All right, now that I've changed the name, let me go ahead and open it up on the lid of my Apple AirPods. All right, now that I've opened it up, as you can see, the name has now changed. I Like Dogs. So there you have it. That is how you change the name to your Apple AirPods on your iPhone. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.